Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Trega, where we dive into the world of finance and explore the latest market trends. The stock market sell-off, it's a phrase that evokes fear and anxiety in many investors. But what exactly happens during these sell-offs, and how can you protect your portfolio? Well, let's start with the basics. A sell-off occurs when investor sentiment turns sour, causing prices to drop rapidly. This can be triggered by a variety of factors, such as economic downturns, geopolitical tensions, or even social media trends. But what does this mean for you? As an investor, it's essential to understand that market sell-offs are not the end of the world. In fact, they can often be seen as opportunities in disguise. By staying calm and adopting a long-term perspective, you can take advantage of the dips to buy into quality stocks at discounted prices. Now, let's talk about some key strategies for navigating these sell-off scenarios. First and foremost, diversification is crucial. Spread your investments across various asset classes, sectors, and geographies to minimize risk. Another important consideration is the concept of reversion to mean. This refers to the idea that market prices tend to revert to their historical averages over time. In other words, if a stock or index has fallen significantly, it's likely that prices will eventually recover. At Trega, we're big fans of dollar-cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions, you can smooth out the ups and downs of the market. This approach helps reduce the impact of volatility and timing risks. Of course, no discussion of sell-offs would be complete without mentioning the importance of risk management. As an investor, it's essential to set stop losses, limit your exposure to high-risk assets, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now I know what you're thinking. What about all the noise on social media and online forums? How do I separate fact from fiction? Well, my friends, that's where critical thinking comes in. Always verify information through reputable sources, and don't be afraid to take a step back when emotions get the better of you. In conclusion, market sell-offs are an inevitable part of the investing journey. But with the right strategies, risk management techniques, and a long-term perspective, you can ride out these storms and come out stronger on the other side. At Trega, we're committed to helping you navigate the complexities of finance and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Trega. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and analysis on the world of finance.